Sri Krishna. Today, we are excited to show you how to dress your little one in the attire of Lord Krishna for Janmashtami. This is a wonderful opportunity to remember and celebrate his beauty through this joyful activity. Before we begin, let's gather all the essentials. Here are the items that you will need: a dhoti, neckwear, armlets, a waist belt, anklets, wristbands, a turban with flower decoration, peacock feather for the turban, and a flute. With these items, we will create a look that reminds us of Krishna's divine pastimes. Let's start with the dhoti, which is a key element of Krishna's traditional attire. Wrap it snugly around the waist and tie a secure knot. Make sure to tuck the ends in neatly to form pleats, giving it that authentic traditional flair. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Now, secure the waist belt around the dhoti. This adds a refined touch to the outfit and keeps everything in place during the festivities. Apply the tilak on the forehead. This traditional mark adds authenticity and completes the divine look. Add divine hues. Gopi dots are a charming addition to a Krishna costume. Use a fine-tipped brush and vibrant colors to create small dots around the cheeks for a playful and enchanting look. Next, we will add the neckwear and armlets. These accessories add elegance to the outfit and help to recall Krishna's regal appearance. Feel free to add any additional decorations or jewelry that your family traditionally uses during Janmashtami. Anklets and wristbands are essential parts of the traditional Krishna attire. These jingling accessories bring joy to the occasion and helps us remember Krishna's playful activities in Vrindavan. The turban is an important part of the costume. Place it securely on your child's head and add some flower decoration to make it festive and special. Apply a thin line of kajal to the upper lash line, extending it slightly outwards to create a striking and soulful appearance. Alta, a vibrant red dye, is traditionally applied to the hands and feet. Consider applying a small amount of alta to your child's fingertips and toes. This adds a traditional and festive touch to the overall appearance. Finish your child's attire with an angavastra, a traditional shoulder cloth. Choose a color that complements the dhoti and drape it elegantly over both shoulders. A garland of fresh flowers beautifully completes the outfit. Select fragrant blooms and drape the garland gently around your child's neck, adding a touch of nature's beauty and enhancing the divine aura of the attire. Finally, peacock feather is a signature element associated with Krishna. Attach it carefully to the turban, ensuring it stays in place as your child moves around. Krishna is known for this enchanting flute. Having your child hold a small flute as a prop adds charm to the look and reminds us of Krishna's sweet pastimes. And there you have it. Your child is now dressed in a way that helps us all remember little Krishna and the joy he brings. Whether it's for a temple visit, a family gathering, or a special photo shoot, this look is sure to be a beautiful reminder of Krishna's divine pastimes. Let us know in the comments how your little one's Krishna costume turned out. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We would also love to see your celebrations if you post your child's photos on social media. Wishing you all a very happy Janmashtami and stay tuned for more exciting content.